How to fix attachments are not showing in Outlook. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to teach you how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's start. For that, first thing you can do is go ahead and search for Outlook. Just type in Outlook in the search bar and search for it and open it up. And then once you open it up, you may just go ahead and log in into your account using your Microsoft account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now, the next step you can follow up is at the very top right corner, you should be finding File option top left. Just go ahead and locate that up and click on it. And once you click on it, go over to Options and open it up. And once you open up Options, it will open up this dialog box. So just go ahead and look out for this Mail section. And the first thing you need to do is in this Compose Messages section, you should be finding Compose Message in this Format option. So just go ahead and drop it down and select HTML. Similarly, from here, you need to scroll down until you reach over to the section of Message Format. And here also, you should be finding Convert to HTML Format. Just go ahead and drop it down and select the first option. After that is done, that should probably do it, and you can click on OK and save the changes. And once you save the changes, you may close your Microsoft Outlook completely. After that, just go ahead and restart the application, and that should help you. So this is it for now. You may follow up the step in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.